Hey, what's up? Brent from Brinspeed. Thanks for watching Brinspeed TV. It's a short one today. It's actually really cool. 25 F150, pretty much base model of four-wheel drive. We installed a Whipple Supercharger. Came in with a whopping 90 miles on it. Drained out the gas that was in it from the factory. Added 93 octane. This baby lays over 570 real horsepower. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notified, same day, have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, not a whole lot to talk about, but we did install the Gen 6 Whipple Supercharger Stage 1 kit. Doug, take a look. Looks really sweet in the engine compartment. Of course, you get the air induction system with it. Runs a factory throttle body. So it's a Stage 1. And then he did opt for the 3-year, 36,000 mile drivetrain warranty. You might have questions about that. I will put a link in the description. You can open up, read more about this kit, read more about that warranty. Check out this dyno pull. Again, so 93 octane. This is the Stage 1 kit, not the Stage 2. I'll put a link at the end of this of other F150 videos if you want to see what the Stage 2 kit makes on the newer F150, especially with the long tube headers. But this thing is bone stock. Just came in. Dynojet SAE smoothing 576 real horsepower, peaking right about 6,900 RPM. Torque 471, peaking at 5,500. But I love the torque curve. Wide open throttle. Love this blower. Got over 400. Boom. Across the board. Let me go over 500. Check that out. So there you have it. Stage 1 Whipple. I love this truck. Check this out. Cloth interior, auto on the column, pretty much base setup. One of the cheapest F-150s you can buy. Install a Whipple, make a lot of power. Hey, have any questions? Leave a comment. Happy to answer. Email quote@brinspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? We typically have these in stock, and if we don't, they're definitely going to be on the way. It's a little bit faster there if you order one online and have to wait. We always have them coming in, but we can ship it right to your door, come in for an install. Quote@brinspeed.com. We're in Indiana. Thanks for watching.